Welcome to Manda's Kitchen. Today I want to talk about a life-changing diet. Why do I say it's a life-changing diet? Because it changed my life. And I am the living example of following this diet. That is VRK diet, Viramachini diet. So there are many people who are following his diet and I want to come forward and share my experience with everyone. I am a diabetic and I was diagnosed diabetic in 2012. Since then, from 2012 to 2018, I have been on medication. So every time I had a doctor appointment, they used to give me the medication. The dose was increasing from they started with 500 mg and they went to 1000 and 1000 mg twice a day. So on and so on. I was fed up, literally fed up. In 2018, one of my friend Meriba, she insisted me to follow this VRK diet. In the beginning, like every one of you guys, I did not believe in this diet because when I saw his few videos, he was talking about taking coconut oil, drinking. So what we hear from the doctors is something opposite. They say that oil is not good for our health, eating yellow in the yolk in the egg is not good for health. So it was contradictory to me, so I did not want to go with that diet. So but as my friend, she insisted me, I thought let me give me a try. So I started with this diet. The first day what I did was I did a small mistake. I took the bulletproof coffee and I took the what you say, the lemon juice, whatever he talks about, but I took even the medication. So by 12 o'clock my sugar came down. So immediately I have to take something sweet, so to get back to my sugar, increase my sugar level. Then I realized, see, there is something in this diet because I deprived myself of not eating carbs and my diet, my sugar was going down. So why don't I give it a try? So let me start. And then from the next day, I stopped completely taking any kind of medication. So from 2018 to till date, I am not on any kind of medication, zero medication. So I want to also share that, my mom always, whenever I see this diet and how I regain my health, I feel sorry that, I didn't know when my mom was alive. And my mom also, she died due to diabetes. So that's a loss. I don't want any other, moms or anyone to die because of diabetes. It's a life, it's not a disease, by the way. Diabetes is not a disease, it's a life disorder. What you call as life-changing disorder. So if you change your lifestyle, some modification in your lifestyle, first follow this diet. So if you have any doubt, what I did was I was following his videos. I used to every day sit and watch his videos. So it gave me a lot of knowledge, what he's talking. Sometimes we miss something. So when we watch his videos, you get a lot of information. That is what I did. So I always suggest everyone who want to follow his diet, please watch his videos so that you can get more knowledge about this diet. I want to also share my experience before the diet and after the diet. Before the diet, I had a lot of health issues. I had bloating stomach, I had constipation, I had bad breath, and I used to snore, and I used to I was in fact I was going to the gym. I used to do workout for 1.5 hours. I used to do the sprint, the high intensity workout, but still I was not losing weight. I was gaining the weight. So and I had the fatty liver. So when I went to the doctor was saying this is all because of the medication. So just think about it. If it is about the medication, then I was getting a fatty liver. So in future, my liver would have been gone, right? And even whenever we are a diabetic and we are taking the medication, our liver and our kidneys and the heart are affected. And they also prescribed me lisinopril, that is for blood pressure. And I never had blood pressure issues. Even yesterday when I checked it, it was 100/70 something. So why do I need to take blood pressure medication? So I asked the doctor. He said, no, we want to take care of your heart. How stupid it was that, right? So I stopped taking all the medication and I am on this diet. But now after 2 years, I know how to control my diet, how to control my sugar. So in and out, whenever I feel like eating something, I do eat. I don't say that I do not eat, but when they cook the biryani in my house, I eat very little rice and I eat the meat and chicken, stuff like that. And also when my husband, sometimes he cooks sweets, I want to taste it too, because I eat a small piece of that too, but not every day. So make sure that, if you I heard people saying that, oh, the diet is only as long as you practice. Sure, that is correct. It is only as long as you practice. But why do we want to go back to the diet what we are doing? Because of all the complication what we had, that is what we moved to this diet, right? So why don't we stick on to that? I don't say that you have to do what you were saying, the 4 pillars which he is mentioning. Even after you come after that, you can make some modifications like I do, and you can follow that. And now after this diet, after in 2018 I was on the diet for 4 months. He says 3.5 months, but I did for 4 months, and after that, in and out I am. Whenever my sugar goes up, I try to control it. I'll do the. And also, guys, I'm doing the intermittent fasting. Can you believe, being a diabetic, nobody will believe that I can do intermittent fasting? Yes, I do for 24 hours. If I eat at 6 o'clock today, and I'm going to eat tomorrow at 6 o'clock, so I don't feel any fatigue, I don't feel any tiredness, nothing like that. And I'm very active too and energetic. So I want, not only me, I want people like me who are suffering with diabetes, like my mom. I want everyone to get the advantage of this VRK diet. So that is the reason I'm coming here. And also I'm going to post more videos what I used to eat when I was in that diet, and also what I'm eating now, and how can you take charge of your health. I hope this video finds you, the information what you're looking for. And if you need any further information, you can ping me in. I can reply to your comments. So please let me know what you think about this. And I want everyone to follow, not everyone, whoever is suffering. So I want them to follow this, because it's only a life changing. It has changed my life, and I hope it changes lives of many people. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, I want to share this information about VRK diet to as many people as possible, and we can save the lives of the people. And I don't want them to be suffering from this diet. Thank you. Sorry guys, I forgot to mention about my life after VRK diet. So my life has completely changed. I don't feel any fatigue anymore. I'm more energetic, and I don't have my fatty liver. It was before, it was in 90s and 80s, and my number came down to below 20s. And even my cholesterol numbers have gone down, my triglycerides have gone down, my A1C is below 6. So my life has changed a lot. So I want everyone to get this benefit from this diet. So thank you guys. Namaste.